Hey guys, I'm here to do a review on a vacuum that I just bought. The ones that it's from Amazon. I think it's called Cybovac, and it's the robotic vacuums that you're able to control from your phone or with a remote, and it kind of vacuums and cleans the house on its own. I'm going to have it go on different carpets that I have around the house, or rugs actually that I have around the house. I have several different ones with different thickness as well, from heavy, medium, and real fluffy. Also, I'm going to have it go over the wooden floor and also on tiles, which is in my kitchen. I'm going to try to throw down some coffee and see how good it does get it up. And I'm going to have it going into the hallway to see if it's going to detect that it can go down the steps. Well, it's not supposed to go down the steps. It's supposed to have some type of sensor that prevents it from falling down the steps or off of a high surface. So we're going to see how those things go and see if it's worth purchasing or not. I do like having little gadgets to see how they, if it's easier to help you around the house, maybe while you're sleeping, and you could put it on a timer and it just goes from there. So I'm gonna start by, the box just came from Amazon, so I am going to open it with you guys. Okay, so here we go. I am going to position this so you can see the opening of the box. This is the box it came in. And oh, it's actually as big as the box. There's a box inside of the box. Okay. So it is called Cybovac, and it's the E-30 robotic vacuum cleaner. So let's open it up. Got it out. Okay, so let's see what it comes with. So it has the user guide, the user manual that's in it. This is the vacuum itself. It has that. It has two of the little brushes that it comes with. I guess it's an extra filter. This is a magnetic strip that you can actually, if you don't want it to go to a certain area, you have to lay the strip down so it won't go there. The remote, batteries, and I guess this is the base and the power cord. So I'm going to put them together. Okay, it has a sign here that says, step 1, charge the robot before the first use. Step 2, switch on and remove the sticker. So I would need to charge this first before we use it. So I'm gonna put it together and we'll put it on the charge. Okay, so I guess you have just to put that in there. my God, these little tedious things. As you see, my patience with stuff like this. Ugh. All right. All right, this has to be plugged in somewhere. Let me see where this goes. Okay, it goes right here at the bottom. As you can see, push it in. Let's get the batteries out. And you can also download the app to your phone. It has the barcode where you could scan it and put the app to your phone where you can control it from your phone through the app, and you don't have to use the remote. And also you can set it on a timer. And if you have Alexa, you can control it through Alexa as well. I do have Alexa, and I love Alexa because I put her to work. Okay, this is where you attach this part here. Try to get it in. Okay, this is the little brush. So this brush is just extra. And this is the magnetic strip. Okay, let me put it on the charge. I'm trying to see where am I going to put it on the charge at. Okay, right now I could do it right here. I think I will do it here so it can be within sight. So I have it right there, and I am going to put it on the charge. Okay. All right, the orange light is blinking, and it's also a blinking blue light I'm going to show you. Okay, as you can see, there's a blink. The light is orange, which needs to turn blue, and the blinking is for the Wi-Fi, to connect it to your Wi-Fi system. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, currently it's a 74% charge, so I am gonna try it out just to kind of give you guys a quick feel. I'm gonna lift it up, turn it over. There's a button right here to turn it on. So I just turned it on. I'm gonna put it back on its base, and I'm gonna get the remote, and I'm going to see how it does. Okay, I'm going to put it on auto. Let me see. Okay, so it gets onto the hook. With ease. Let me see if it will detect my foot. Oh, it's climbing up my foot, so it didn't detect it. Maybe because my slipper is kind of like a rug. Let me take it off and see what it does. Also, for a heavier rug, it does have a button here that says max, so I'm going to turn it on max and see what it does. Or you can... Okay, Okay, so once it senses my foot now, it doesn't even hit it. Okay. Oh, and it does go in a certain direction and form. It's on my foot. Okay, well, you see the lines that it does kind of suction up the rug. Okay, I'm gonna try it on the rug in the dining room. Okay. You see how it's climbing onto the base? If you don't want to have it doing that, see, okay, the brush got stuck under there. I guess because it got underneath there to clean it, so it's stuck. If you don't want it climbing on the base, that's what you're gonna need the strips for. I'm gonna pause it and put the brush back on, and I'm gonna take it to the dining room. Okay, I have it on the wooden floor, so we could do that immediately. And see how it goes over. Let me see if it goes onto the rug. I just want to see how it does. So the front has like a little bumper. Okay. As you can see, the rug is very fluffy. It does go over it pretty easy. I wouldn't suggest it because this rug is very hairy, so I'm afraid that, you know, the hairs will stick in it. But as you see, it's going over the floor very smoothly. Let's take it to the kitchen. And then we're going to go to the rug upstairs. Okay, now we're in my bedroom, and I'm going to see how that goes. The carpet here is a little much thicker, as you can see. Okay, it goes under there. I mean, we can't reach under there on the regular, so I guess that is a good thing. I can hear it getting some things up. I want to see if it comes back out on its own. Okay. And back out. are right there, so let's see what it does when it gets to that point. To see if we can trust it not to tumble down the steps. Now this rug is it has some thickness, but not so thick, onto it. So it did pass the test of not going down the steps. So this is going to be the last test here in my room on this rug and carpeting. Okay, so I did it. Okay, it's supposed to be able to find its base. So I am going to let it, you push the button, the home button, and it's supposed to find its way home. So let's see how that goes. I am going to straighten this up a little. And let's see. Okay. As you see, it worked. I went it right back home to its base. And the little compartment here, you could put the remote right in there and we're good to go. Okay guys, as I come to the conclusion of the Cybovac vacuum, robotic vacuum, I will give it about a 3.5, 4 stars. Only because I haven't been able to try it out the way I would like to see if it really reaches all aspects of the house when it comes to vacuuming, to see if it's missing any spots. However, I did go ahead and I purchased 2 of these. Purchased them from Amazon at about I got it on a deal, so I think they run between $159 $200. I purchased 2 only because I want to use it in another country overseas, and I do have indoor cameras over there. Excuse me. I do have indoor cameras, so I can kind of monitor where it's going, and I want to see how it operates if I do it from here, from my phone. Since I will not have the remote with me, I will try to control it from my home here in the United States, and it's going to go to Suriname, so I want to see how it does. And if it does do the job, I will definitely give an update on that and see if I can record it through the indoor cameras there to let you guys see it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be doing a review on some other things. Ciao!